Okay, third time's a charm. Let's go. So here's the working ship, WASD. Only thing not implemented is the bounding sphere on space push because it's like 1:30 in the morning. Here are the bare bones camera. It's singleton, has the front class to fish legs engine. The lead is also within private, and then the public one is get, set, and then something called D camera. D camera is just a placeholder for now that holds all of the camera data from game.cpp. Next is drawable. Drawable is very simple, same with updatable. Game object within it that contains the two. Very, very simple. Scene is here. Again, very simple, but front class to scene manager, so scene manager has access to all of its private functions. And then similarly in scene manager, it does the same, but with the engine itself, and it has the get and set functions, which are here. Very simple. And then we have the engine itself has been switched to a singleton, and then load resources and game init are now within the fish legs resources folder, so that's for users to interact with. Only changes here was the addition of methods to change things within the init, and then the actual run function itself, since it's now singleton. Here's a peek at the init. It's exactly what was in the game CPP, just moved. Here's load all resources, which should have been set last week but wasn't. And then here is the demo scene itself, taken from scene, and from there it has all of this to call upon. Only update is frigate, since that's the only one that moves, and then axis and planar there, and they're just static things that are only called during draw. Could peek at those real quick. Again, is essentially has the same setup from the actual draw function, not the draw, the game.cpp file. It's just moved into actual users. Same with frigate, as well as the plane. And yeah, that's basically it. Oh, with it, let me move this real quick. Within the asset manager, I have just show. The debug messages are finally up and running. So here, after talking about it in class, just to show that those work. And then instead of using this load prefab, which I still have for some testing I was doing earlier, I have this new overloaded load function that takes the pre-made model enumeration as a input after seeing Dan talk about it. So it works, and yeah, that's it. See ya.